In this video, I'm going to show you a via screenshots how to install Laragon. So what exactly is Laragon? This is a portable, highly effective and fast local server. This local server can be installed in your laptop or your desktop. Why exactly you need to install a server inside your laptop or desktop? Our intention is to become friendly with learning management system like Moodle. Even though Moodle is an open source software, you need to have a server to install the same. And I would like every one of you to become friendly with this Laragon server software, which is actually a combination of Apache server, a MySQL server, and a mail server. So all these three servers are within Laragon. So let us first have a clear-cut idea of how to install Laragon in your local environment. Laragon can be downloaded from the official website. All you got to do is just Google Laragon and it will take you to the official website. So as a first step, I'm going to fire the browser. It's going to be Chrome. You can use any browser you're friendly with. As soon as the browser is ready to go, just type Laragon to the search bar. See, I'm going to type Laragon. The site is laragon.org. It takes you to the Laragon official website. So this is actually the official website. So it gives you a small write-up on the various features of Laragon, how it can be used and all that. Laragon, let me tell you, is a shareware. Once in a while, a pop-up will come asking you to contribute some money. If you feel like you can contribute, otherwise you can click the plus or I'm sorry, into button to make the reminder go away. So now we are going to install, download first. Laragon software should be downloaded. You download Laragon 2025. The full version, roughly the size is around 229 MB. So that link, the link in the blue should be clicked. Let us see what happens when you click the blue link. Now download has started, download is already over. Now it gets downloaded into the download folder. Double click on the Laragon-vamp. That is the name of the file. And it gives you, Windows gives you a warning. It says that this application is not recognized by the Windows software. No issues. You just click more info. Click the more info link and then click run anyway. Because Windows has this software protection where every software developer needs to pay some money to get a Windows safe key. Since this is open source software, they cannot afford to pay money to Windows. So they just make the software and you need to ignore the Windows safe screen warning. Then here, after you select the language setting, just uncheck run Laragon when Windows starts, because if that thing is checked, whenever you restart Windows, whenever Windows starts, Laragon will be also starting in the background, which we don't want. And then ensure that automatically create host box is checked. Now you see the files being extracted, and Laragon usually gets installed into the root drive or C drive by default. Don't change the path, file path. Just allow the installation to happen in the default manner. As soon as the install is over, the run Laragon button will be checked by default. If you click the finish button, you will see the Laragon screen. I have allowed the entire screenshot video to take place real time so that you will have an idea of how long it takes for you to install the server. So here, as I told you, three servers are listed: Apache server, then SQL server, and then the mail server. So now go to the menu, tools. You need to add PHP MyAdmin. This is actually a GUI, a graphic user interface, which helps you to add or delete databases in the SQL server. So now I'm quickly adding PHP MyAdmin to Laragon. It has been added from within the installation, and on clicking the start all button, all the three servers will be simultaneously started. You see PHP MyAdmin has been installed under tools. Now we go to the preferences. This gives you the general settings. You see that run Laragon with Windows starts is unchecked, run minimize is unchecked, start all servers automatically is unchecked. Document root is always allow it to be default. Data directory also allow it to be default. C drive Laragon, then slash data. Now services and ports. So this is where if Apache complains that that port is not free or vacant, it's being run by another software, you can change the port. The default setting is 80. Then supposing if you want a secure socket license to be enabled, just click the enable uh, button. It will get enabled. Then you see 3306 is the port number for SQL, and then mailpit is 1025. So these are all the various ports which these all your three servers use. So if any of your server complains that port is not vacant, you are at liberty to change the port accordingly and ensure that all the three servers run. Only when all the three servers run, you will be able to effectively use the server. Now, if you want to close down all the server, maybe Apache, SQL, and Mailpit server, you got to say stop all. You click stop all, automatically all the servers will stop. So just click the stop button, all the three servers will stop. Now you've stopped, and so all the three servers are getting stopped. So all three servers are stopped. Thank you.